Hello everyone, and how are you doing? Today I'll be sharing with you the only 4 perfumes you need. Yes, I used to not be so crazy into fragrances until I tried a couple, and trust me, fragrances can actually boost your mood, make you feel so happy, elevate your confidence, and get you so many compliments. Plus, the fragrances I'll be sharing with you today are compliment getters. The first category will be your everyday fresh girl fragrance like your signature fragrance. The second category will be your occasion fragrance. The third category will be bedtime. Yes, you need to smell good before getting under your sheets. And the fourth category will be something for the cool weather, something cozy for winter. Yeah, so your everyday for winter, everyday for summer, occasional fragrance, and your bedtime. So for the first category, which is your everyday fresh clean girl fragrance, I will give it to Chanel Chance Eau Tendre. You can see how much I've used this fragrance. It smells so good. It smells so good and elevates your look. I get so many compliments when I use this, most especially during the summer period, because this is a fresh citrus fragrance that makes you smell so welcoming, and like, this is so nice. I swear by this fragrance, it's almost done and I have a backup already. So there are 2 options for every day. If you want an elevated everyday girl, classic girl fragrance, go for this. This is Gentle Fluidity Gold. This smells so amazing. It is a very beautiful classy vanilla fragrance. It's very sophisticated, beautiful vanilla fragrance. If you want to hang out with friends, you're going to visit some family members, your in-laws, you're going out, this is so good. This makes you smell so good and rich. Yeah, so classy. And now to the second category, which is bedtime. I love using a scented moisturizer before going to bed, and I use it alongside a spray. So both are from the same brand, Brazilian Bum Bum Cream and Brazilian Crush. They are from the same brand. I can leave them at the description in case you want to. When I use this together before going to bed, I smell so good and edible. Like, if you have a touchy partner, don't use this. You will have him all over you. This is so good. Yeah, I play with the brand a lot because I love so many of their sprays. They have a lot of mist, body mist that get you smell so good. This is 68 from them as well. That was 62. This is 68. They are especially for bedtime. You smell so edible and cozy, and you feel so good and sleep like a baby. So there are so many beautiful body mist you can get. You can get some from Bath and Body Works. You can get body mist from there. Just have to smell fresh and good as you go to bed. Try a couple of the body mist and go for whichever you're comfortable with. When I'm going to bed, I need something warm and cozy. I always go for vanilla flavors because I want to smell cozy, and so I swear by these 2. I alternate, and trust me, I always smell so good and feel so good. Yeah, so these are my recommendations for bedtime. And now to that fragrance you need for special occasions that will get you so many compliments. But before getting into that, I want to reiterate the fact that you want to have your fresh shower just before leaving the house. You don't want to have your shower in the morning, do your daily chores, and before leaving the house you just pick up your perfume, spray on your body without looking good and smelling fresh. That will not help. So having a fresh shower just before you are leaving the house is the first tip to getting you compliments, because you naturally smell so good before using your fragrance. Yeah. And talking of the fragrance for special occasions, this used to be my go-to. Like, I used to swear by this. This is Coco Chanel Mademoiselle. I used to swear by this. Like, this used to get me a lot of compliments. Till today, this is really still good. Until this stole my heart. This is Lost Cherry by Tom Ford. This smells so good as well. Like, most especially if you're going to a party, a special occasion. It has a little bit of rum in it. It is kind of, I don't know how to put it, but this is so seductive. This is so beautiful and it smells so good. Like when I want to smell different and get so many compliments, I go for this. And I love this small bottle because I can easily just throw it in my bag, and whenever I need to touch up, I just get it and I'm good. This smells so good. Like if you're single and you need attention from all the men in the room at a party, just spray this and trust me, you'll come back thanking Risa. You will have so many of them to choose your future husband from. This smells so good, very addictive and a very powerful compliment getter. Yeah, so both of them are compliment getters. You smell like a high class lady with these, whilst you smell like a seductive high class, you know. They are all good. Just choose whichever works for you. Coco Mademoiselle from Chanel, Lost Cherry from Tom Ford. Good for occasions and will get you lots and lots of compliments. Now the last category is something for the cold weather, most especially if you live in Europe, America, Canada, where it gets so cold during the winter period. You need something cozy, something warm that will get you lots and lots of compliments. Trust me, go no further. Just get Burberry Hair Elixir. This smells so good. This will get you lots and lots of compliments and you feel so cozy and you smell like a beautiful ice cream. This is so nice. Compliment getter and it lasts so long on your body, and you know. So a very quick tip. Perfumes will not kill that bad body odor you have. If you have body odor, make sure you are detoxing your body from the inside. I have so many recipes on my channel, Risa's Tips. You can try those recipes to cleanse your system from the inside so you can smell fresh naturally before applying your fragrances to elevate your smell. You want to cleanse from the inside if you have body odor, as well as exfoliate your body. Make sure you have a body scrub. Having a body scrub and using at least once every week will cleanse dead skin cells on your skin, making you not smell fresh. So you want to have a thorough cleaned skin, both from the inside out. So when you apply your fragrances, you get the most from them. You don't want to apply fragrances on a body that is not cleaned from inside out, like detoxing from the inside and exfoliating your skin externally. Loving water, like have your shower. Some people just spray their perfumes on when they don't want to shower because they want to smell good, and that is toxic. Like it is terrible. You want to elevate your smell and not kill bad odor. So you want to exfoliate your skin, detox from the inside, use your fragrances, and trust me, you will always smell good, you will always feel good and get so many compliments, most especially from the recommendations I shared with you today. You will get lots and lots of compliments, most especially if you're starting, you don't have so many fragrances and you just want to have a few, and you know, just go for this I've recommended, and trust me, you will come back thanking Risa. Hey, I just got a compliment from my co-worker. Hey, I just got a compliment from my husband at bedtime or my boyfriend at bedtime. You will tell me so many stories. So share this video with your family and friends. Try this. Trust me, it feels so good to smell good. Trust me. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't yet. I am Risa. This is not my Risa's Tips channel. This is Evolving with Risa. This channel is all about evolving to become the better version of ourselves and be great. So feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.